How to contact ZipRecruiter. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.ziprecruiter.com. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom of the web page, you will see the Contact Us tab. You can tap on the Email Us option there and further send an email regarding your query to the support team of ZipRecruiter, or you can also call on the number shown on the screen and further directly contact the support team of ZipRecruiter. So, this is how you can contact ZipRecruiter. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.